We are here with the blonde who bakes. Her name is Whitney. Whitney, we're so excited to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
Of course.
I love it.
Yes. Okay, so you're going to show us how to decorate a cake because David and I need help.
Yeah, absolutely. And by the way, I'm curious. You've done this for a long time, Whitney. So successful. When did you discover your first love of baking?
Oh my goodness.
Hey, this is my thing.
It's been a long time. My mom taught me when I was very young.
Yeah.
And it's been decades now that I've baked. I professionally started baking about 12 years ago.
Oh my gosh.
So you're a seasoned veteran.
It's been a while.
Yeah. Awesome. What kind of things do you make for people? All cakes?
So I do cakes and macarons. So yep, I'll do weddings and small events, big events, whatever you need.
So fancy.
Yep.
I love it. Okay, you're going to show us how to, you said decorate a cake, but you called it what, cake topping?
So we're going to just cake top. We're going to add on to this already. So we have just a very smooth layer of buttercream, and then we have a drip. It's super fancy. It goes along with any theme. We have all these really yummy toppings right here. This is called my fresh berry cake.
Ooh, cool. Yum. Whitney, there's something about like the drizzle, the melt of
this
the
is
cake.
the fun part too, because it has like this lazy Susan.
That's exactly right.
That is so
He's
cool.
He's super fancy.
No.
Yeah, I know
my desserts.
Yeah,
I know where to put my focus.
What about a cookie? Do we?
So,
I need to make sure these are okay. What?
You need to.
Oh,
so to start this cake, we are really just going to add berries on. So I like to go around the whole entire circumference of the cake, and then I will just build up. So it's a super, super easy design.
What inspired you in your design? Do you follow other cake makers over the past 12 years you've been doing this?
So
you come up with your own designs?
Yes. So most of my cakes I've been doing for a while. It's fun to follow trends, obviously. And so I'll try those out. But my mom actually taught me how to do this cake very, very young, and so I take credit from her for this one.
Way to go, Mom.
Beautiful.
That's cool.
Yes,
awesome.
Good job, Mama.
Do people go on your website and they order like custom designs?
And so we'll go on my website and you can do macarons on my website. Then you can also email me for custom cakes. So I'll do it here in state and then out of state if needed.
I feel like, David, you should get in here and start to do something.
I was going to say, I need
She's
you guys.
the pro.
Yeah.
I think
last time I did this, I'm the last
Will you
one.
teach David what to do?
Absolutely. So really, this cake is all about topping, just having fun and building. So adding dimension.
Is this like Jenga? Do I just put this on the, just stick it in like this?
Look how cute. Okay, I'm going to go with some blueberries.
Let's go over here. Why not?
See,
there really are no rules, right?
I feel like it's going to, the tower will crumble here if I keep going.
Oh,
one for me,
so
one
of
for
the tricks with chocolate, super fun. You can just stick it right in between the berries and it stands up. Super.
Oh, cute.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm going to keep sticking things in there.
Fun. That's cool.
Do you have a favorite that you've ever done?
Oh my goodness.
I mean, I'm sure there's a lot.
I did my own wedding cake.
You did your own wedding cake?
Really? You did?
I did it around 12 years ago, and it was my favorite. Yep.
What was it? Was it
what flavor?
It was huge. It was a lot of different flavors, but it was just a very pretty. It was massive. It was covered in chocolate curls. It was a fall wedding, so super hot outside, but it was beautiful.
You know, some people after their weddings, they freeze their cake and they eat it like a decade later. Did you do that?
We had none left.
Okay, what do we do here?
So stick these in.
I feel like we need to involve the cookies.
Yes, we do.
Got the blueberries.
Like straws?
Yep.
Oh
so
my
then you
gosh,
just stick them in everywhere.
This is so great.
Yep.
I love this.
Super fun, very easy. Anyone can do it, and so that's why I.
What's the hardest cake to do?
Ooh, that's a hard one. I don't like working with fondant. Fondant is just
it makes
not
it look pretty, but it's
hard to do.
It's very hard.
Where can we book you and find you?
So you can just find me at my website at theblondewhobakes.com, or you can go to my Instagram at theblondewhobakes.
Whitney Burge, that's fantastic. Thank you for coming.
Thank you guys.
You have to come back for the macarons. Okay?
Absolutely.
Yes, next time for sure. Whitney, thank you.
Hey.